In this video, we're going to show you to install the ABS speed sensors on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located behind your front wheels. Using a 22mm socket, loosen and remove the lug nuts. Grab the wheel, remove it, and set it aside. On the back side of our knuckle here, we have our ABS wire that comes through and is connected via a little plastic clip. So we're going to use our trim tool, go in behind here, and pop that out. If you follow the wire around, there's a 10mm bolt right here that secures that. I'm going to go ahead and loosen and remove that. I'm going to go ahead and twist this and pull this out. Sometimes these can get stuck inside the knuckle and these may break, so you're just going to have to work at getting out the remnants of the sensor. I'm going to pull this through around to the back side. I'm going to disconnect our ABS wire from these clips that's running along our flex hose. Now sometimes you can just kind of use your fingers and pry this open and just kind of roll that out. Now normally you can just kind of grab the rubber here and kind of twist this out, or you can use a pry tool or screwdriver and just gently work that out. Pop that out. Now right behind here there is another plastic retainer. I'm going to use our trim tool. I want to get behind or underneath the base and pop that out. And let's come around to the front side again here. Behind the splash guard here, just kind of pull this back and that exposes our connector right there. We use our trim tool. There are two little buttons on the back side of this. We need to kind of pop these off here. Now on the top side is a red lock connector. You can usually use your finger to move that, but sometimes because of road debris and stuff, it'll get stuck. You can use a small pocket screwdriver or a trim tool and just push up to the unlocked position. Push down on the little button and separate the connector. And you can go ahead and remove that ABS sensor. Take the connector for the speed sensor, run it behind the hard brake line, feed this through. We're going to go ahead and connect our sensor here. Press it in so you feel it snap into place, and then press in on that red lock tab. Put the two buttons in and secure that by pushing that in. Press in the plastic retainer button right here. Work the ABS rubber retainer into the bracket. You want to push on the rubber itself. Do not push on the wire. So just kind of work that into place. Install the rubber mounts into the clips. Simply push those in with your finger. Run this underneath. I'm going to install the plastic button on the back side of the knuckle. Press the button into the back side of the knuckle. And once that's installed, I'm going to go ahead and install our sensor here. Feed that down into the hole in the knuckle. Press that down all the way. Install your 10mm bolt. I like to run that bolt down as far as I can by hand. And then grab your socket and ratchet. And once that's bottomed out, just snug it. Not even a full quarter turn. Just snug it into place. You're going to go ahead and repeat the same process for the passenger side if you need to do that. Go ahead and install your wheel. get our lug nuts all started by hand first. Once we have all these on, we'll go ahead and snug them down. Now we want to go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.